Samsung's Galaxy phones have been killing it lately with flashy AI features and powerful hardware, but when it comes to RAM, they've been kind of playing it safe. While other brands have already jumped to 16GB, Samsung has been chilling at 12GB for a while now, especially with the Ultra models. Remember the Galaxy S20 Ultra and the S21 Ultra? Both had 16GB of RAM, then suddenly the S22 Ultra drive opted to 12GB, and nothing really changed with the S23, S24, or even the S25 Ultra. Yeah, in a few rare markets, Samsung quietly released a 16GB version of the S25 Ultra, but let's be real, most people never even saw it or heard about it. Well, it looks like Samsung is finally getting serious again as per the latest report. According to fresh info from Macquarie Research, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to finally get that RAM upgrade, jumping from 12 to 16GB, and this time it's supposedly going global. That's big news, especially if you're into gaming or use your phone for heavy multitasking. And here's the cool part. With RAM Plus and One UI 8, Samsung software could push that even higher with virtual memory, possibly giving users up to 28GB of usable memory. That's some desktop-level stuff right there. Now, why the sudden shift? Well, probably because Apple is creeping up with the iPhone 17, which is rumored to get 12GB of RAM. And let's face it, Samsung has to stay ahead, especially with its Ultra branding. You can't call it Ultra and be out-rammed by Apple, right? As for the rest of the Galaxy S26 lineup, things are starting to pop up. The Galaxy S26 Edge just showed up in the GSMA IMEI database, so yeah, Samsung is clearly working behind the scenes. No major leaks yet, but word on the street is that the S26 Ultra will also pack camera upgrades and launch with One UI 8.5. All of this is expected to drop in January next year, but until then, we're keeping our eyes on the leaks. And if Samsung plays its cards right, the S26 Ultra might just feel Ultra again. That said, for all the latest news regarding the Galaxy S26 series, then consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.